Hello, welcome to my channel today. It's the first day of winter and we're going to be making snowflakes. No, not the ones outside. We're going to be making Swedish Rosettes and they are a wonderful treat. It's made with a very simple batter. The only equipment you need is the deep fryer and the irons. Here it is. I'm going to whip up a very simple batter. 2 slightly beaten eggs, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of sugar. Beat that together in a bowl. And then add 1 cup of milk. Next, we take 1 cup of flour sifted into the liquid. Okay. You want the batter to be nice and smooth and no lumps. Once the batter is nice and smooth, add 1 tablespoon of lemon extract. Some people like vanilla extract, but I like lemon. It gives it a nice flavor. Okay. Now what we do next is wait for our deep fryer to come up to between 375 and 400 degrees. So here are my rosette irons. I've had them for years, but you can buy them on Amazon or other food websites. They're only about $20, but they're well worth it because this is such a special treat. Okay. Next, I'm going to pour my rosette batter into a square Pyrex pan like this, so the batter is flat and evenly distributed. You'll find out why when I get to the end of using all the batter. Okay. Oh, next I'm going to start heating my irons. They have to be really, really hot. So in they go in the fryer. I'll leave them there for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to pour the batter into the square glass pan. Okay, the irons are heating in the oil. I would give them at least 10 minutes, and you'll see why when I dip them in the batter. They're supposed to sizzle. Okay, I think the irons are hot now, so I'll take them out of the hot oil and drain some of that oil off the irons onto a paper towel. Then I'll plunge it into the batter about 3/4 of the way up the irons. And it adhered very nicely, and now into the fryer. Oh, perfect. You let it cook until the bubbles stop. You'll know when they're ready. The first couple might not be perfect. As I see, I'm not sure how these are going to be. But we will put them on, drain them on the paper towels, and see how easily they come off. If they come off easily, then you're in business. Oh no, they look good. Okay. Drain the oil and put them on the paper towels and gently take them off with a fork. They should, oh, they came off perfect. Ah, yes, yes. Okay, the next one, go. And this goes on and on and on. The recipe says that it'll make 6 dozen, but I don't think I've ever gotten 6 dozen out of that, out of this batter. But we'll see. We'll count them up when it's all over. Okay, here's the next ones. Oh, they're coming off nicely. One thing you might have noticed as the oil was hot and the irons were hot, the rosettes would fall off the irons. So have a couple of forks handy so you can fish them out. Also, I've always used vegetable oil when cooking the rosettes. I think it tastes the best, but check with your manufacturer's recommendations on your air fryer, but I always use vegetable oil. Now, if you like this video, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, and we're welcoming comments. Thanks a lot. And now you get to watch the fun part. We're going to sprinkle the powdered sugar on the rosettes. And unless you have 4 hands, you won't be able to do this until you're all done with the oil. Maybe you could get your husband to do it. Well, maybe. Okay, thanks a lot. See you again next time. And I've got a lot of good savory items coming up that I want to show you. So stay tuned. Happy New Year. Happy New Year 2023. May you have blessed and happy and healthy New Year.